Good afternoon, ma'am. Postmodern theory. So, focus on how social, cultural, and media influences shape people's understanding of crime rather than relying on traditional explanation like poverty or biology. It suggests that crime results from complex social identities, media portrayals, globalization, and power dynamics within society. So, sa letter A, kay fragmented identities and crime. Diverse cultural influences may create identities conflicts that lead to deviant behavior. Ano sa media perception and crime, sensationalized crime reporting shape how society views criminals and victims. Next sa globalization and new forms of crime, kay modern crimes like cybercrime and international syndicates challenge traditional law enforcement. Next is power dynamics and crime narratives. Powerful groups shape how crime is defined and punished, which can reinforce bias or inequality. Next, fluidity of truth and reality. Okay. Fluid truth and reality, what is considered crime can vary based on perspective or context. Next is cultural hybridity and crime. Cultural hybridity, blending of local and foreign cultures shape behaviors and views on criminality.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmate. I am the reporter of Group 4 and this is my report, Risk and Pattern of Crimes. Risk factors of crime. Risk factors are conditions that increase the likelihood of a person engaging in crime. They may be individual, social, environmental, or structural. So these are the factors. Individual factors. These are the personal characteristics of behaviors that make someone more likely to commit crime. History of crime behavior. Previous offenders are more likely to reoffend. For example, an ex-convict returned to a thief after release. For example, mga gikan o presuhan ang kagawas, wala sila makita ka trabaho. So no choice silang balik nilang silang dating ginabuhat pareha ng mga awat. Substance abuse. Addiction to drugs or alcohol increases crime risk. Example, committing robbery to fund a drug habits. Pareha daw ng kanang mangawat na lang para makapalit og ikabisyo para ng mga drugs nga na. Mental health disorders. Untreated mental illness can impair judgment. For example, a person with untreated schizophrenia engaging in assault. For example, kanang dilulo ma'am. Ang abi niya og sumbagon siya pero kanang abi niya sumbagon siya maong gisumbag na lang niya guna. Personal traits. Impulsiveness, aggression, and lack of empathy. Example, someone who act violent without thinking of consequences. For example, ma'am, kanang anumbag rag kalit ma'am ba niya waka balon sa outcome. Social and environmental factors. These are the conditions in one's surroundings that increase criminal tendencies. Socioeconomic disadvantage. Poverty and joblessness. Example, stealing food due to hungry. Ito mangawat daw siya tungod sa kagutom. Family environment, dysfunction or abusive families. For example, a child from abusive home who becoming violent later in life. Para example ma'am, kung yun siya sa yang parents karon niya o ibuwa mo po niya buhaton puhon sa iyang mga anak. Peer influence, association with delinquent peers. For example ma'am, a teenager joined a gang due to peer pressure. For example, maunaan mo mga ano ma'am, ni-appeal siya mga gang para siyang safety po, ana. Community factors, high crime rates and lack of safety. For example, growing up in a crime-prone neighborhood. For example, ma'am, kanang idako siya sa lugar nga puro gubot, ma'am. Peretundo. Ito, educational disadvantage, lack of education and opportunities. For example, dropping out of school and turning to illegal work. For example, niundang eskwela para ano ma'am, maligyaw mga para ng kuan, drugs. Structural factors. These are refers to larger society issues that shape crime rates. Inequality and discriminations, social injustice and bias. For example, marginalized groups turning to crime due to exclusion. For example, para sa NPA ma'am, dili sila musunod sa gobyerno kay inequality ang gina-provide sa government, hindi sila satisfied. Weak social institution, ineffective governance and justice systems. For example, corruption in law enforcement allowing criminals to act freely. Paya na ano ma'am, fraud control, awa ka rin ma'am, di ba? Si Mark Mark Romualdez, naagapon sa kuwan, wala nadakpan. Media and cultural influences, exposure to violent or anti-social media. Like for example, youth imitating violent scenes in movies or online. For example, kanang gina-imitate nila mga makita nila sa mga movie mga sundog na. Patterns in crime. Patterns refer to the analysis of crime trends, including when and where crime happens, what types occur most often, and why they repeat. Studying patterns help policymakers and law enforcement allocate resources and design crime prevention programs. For example, ma'am, increased tips during holiday might lead police to increase patrol in shopping areas. For example, December, New Year, mga mall, dagangan kawatan na ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Jan Loe Bantrifiel, and let's talk about pattern of crime. So, structural functionalism. Structural functionalism crime happens because parts of society are not working well. Example, high crime in a community because there are no jobs. So, the law enforcement use police study crime patterns to fix area with social problems. Example, police increase patrols in poor areas to restore order. And the second is social strain typology. Explanation. Social strain typology. People commit crime because stress or lack of opportunities pushes them. Example, a person steals because they cannot afford basic needs. So, law enforcement use police focus on areas with high stress and poverty. Example, police target theft hotspot in low-income neighborhoods. So the next is the last is conflict theory. Explanation is crime comes from inequality and power struggles in society. Example, protest turning violent due to an unfair treatment. Law enforcement use police address crimes caused by social and economic inequality. Example is programs to reduce violence in areas with rich poor gaps. And that's all. Thank you.
Modeling theory focuses on mental reaction and influence person behavior, particularly deviant behavior. Example, kanang about mental health is naga-breakdown siya and makakommit siya crime and about sa emotion. Unemployment, that people engage in illegal activity is example, kanang wala sila mabuhat, then wala sila trabaho is makakommit na lang sila crimes which is kanang na lang sila drugs or nagabaligian na sila drugs para na sila income and financial disgraan makakommit ang tao na is because of financial stress.